Cora, do you usually send hearts in normal conversations? Or you know one of those people who don't do that?
I've had a guy get mad at me because I don't send any emojis. Ikaw, Mai, kapag nag-text ka,
Nag-ibig-send ka ng heart?
Kapag may something po, parang gano'n.
kahit sino mo.
Pero normal pala yun.
Para sa'yo.
Kapag di ba pag may gusto ka, i-emojis mo din na ganon.
O sige, kapag nag-text ko si Edward, ano meron?
Ay, ako po, ano yung...
Tae! That's the one that she said. That's the one that she said.
Because it's true! Ay, ano
Hi Edward, good morning.
All 7 TV, 7 TV.